Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at some clearance deals. This is a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's that way YouTubers will platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. To start off here, we got this Ryobi Crosscut mower. So you guys see it's really nice. It does have a big compartment here, battery compartment for 2 batteries. It does have the lock inside and the see-through window, or does have some LED lights in the front, some headlights, and it is a plastic deck, unless it's just a cover, but I think it's plastic. And then it is the crosscut, so it's $549. Ryobi 21-inch behind, walk behind. Alright, you got this one on clearance. This is a chair, patio chair, a set, basically a 2-pack for half the price. Basically was just about 50 bucks. Now it's 25, a little bit less than 25, so pretty good deals on these. And same thing with all these patios, furniture, so keep an eye out on your Home Depot. I'm not going to go over all of them because obviously this is a tool channel, but you got some awesome deals here. Like just an example, this one was $349. Now it's down to 75 bucks. That's a really good deal on these. So here's what the clearance, power tool clearance section. Let's see here what we got. We got some Milwaukees. Alright, so we got a framing nailer here, M18. It's a fuel 3.5. Remember guys, always check, even if it says a higher price on the item, always check with your Home Depot associates. They do have that machine. They can scan it. Maybe you can find a hidden gem and buy it at a ridiculously low price. So make sure you guys do that. Take the item, or just bring them to this section and have them scan it manually, because sometimes they don't update these stickers. You got the 18-volt LXT brushless high torque 1/2 inch impact wrench, Makita. And then you got the whole hog here. So you guys see, that's the whole hog. I don't know if this is the new one or the old one. I know there's like 2 different ones. This one's $279. And then you got the 2 6s, a 2-pack starter kit for $240. Remember guys, it was $299 with the free tool. So I don't know if they're giving you still with a free tool with this one, or what's going on with that. Maybe they'll lower it in price, because $240 for 2 6s is kind of pricey. Alright, and then they got this is the Makita, the 1/2 inch impact wrench. It's $203. Like I said, always check the prices. And then they got this compressor here, MAC 5200 from Makita. I did not see the price on this. So they did have cables all the way around, so it was hard to flip, turn the boxes around and stuff like that. Alright, they got some more clearances here. They got some more locks over here. And then they got some more power tool accessories up here. They got the DeWalt drill bit set for $9.97. Not too bad, pretty good. And then they got this precision screwdriver set. Remember guys, these are really nice to have. $7.97, especially if you're if you want to take apart your tools or your smaller stuff. And you got the Bluetooth speaker there for $29.97. You got a 2-pack of lights, Ryobi, $49.97. You got a rotary tool, $44.97. You got a circ saw, 49 bucks. And then you got impact driver here for $49. Tool only. Yeah, and this is the OSB. This is like for the floor, subfloor. It's down to $43.68. This is the thicker one. The prices have gone down in price. I mean, on the wood. So definitely check it out. And guys, these are on clearance. These are if you've got a fracture or something, that helps support. Then you got these toolboxes, 89 bucks, and then you got the Husky for $99. I think the Husky has a little bit nicer stuff, like accessories. And then they're still running this deal. If you guys don't know, buy one get one free from M12. So buy any of the kits on the left and you get any of the tools on the right. Unfortunately, some of these are already running low in stock. As you guys see, this store is really low on stock. So definitely jump on it if you're going to be jumping it, because they are going to sell out. And yeah, these are still the same price. I'm waiting for a sale because I want to get some more boxes for the channel here, so we can store our tools. Definitely looking at those XLs or the larger toolboxes here. But yeah, we're gonna wait until the Christmas or the holiday season. Anyways, just a short video for today. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on at this Home Depot. Don't forget to help with the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.